Today, I want to show you how you can programmatically take a screenshot of a specific screen inside of your WeWeb mobile application using the Despia plugin. It's super simple. Let's take a look at that. And this is actually quite cool because this will allow you, for example, to take a screenshot of a QR code displayed in the app so they have it in their photo gallery and they can access it, when they're offline or on a different device. So pretty cool. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have the Despia plugin from the WeWeb Marketplace installed in our project. To make sure that you have it installed, go to Assets, take a look at Library, click on the book symbol, and you will see the Despia package inside of here. Perfect. If you haven't already installed it, you can get that from the Marketplace by looking up Despia. Perfect. So now we need to make sure that the plugin component is on the page because this gives our page native functionalities. So we're going to click on Add and we're going to look here under Assets for Despia Provider, Despia Native, Despia Plugin, right? And we just drag this element on top of the page. This can be a new page or an existing page. Perfect. Now we want to take a screenshot of the page. So we're going to add a button inside of here, and you can run this when an API runs successfully or in a different workflow, and we want to make sure that the Despia plugin component is always on top of the page for best practices so we can clearly see, oh, this page uses native functionalities. So now we're just going to go to the button. Let's just call this take screenshot, just like that. And now I'm going to go to the button. I'm going to go to workflows. I'm creating a new workflow. And then now I'm going to look for execute component action. I'm going to select the Despia plugin component. And as you can see, the first one already is take screenshot. So we're just running that. Let's close this. And now we're deploying the application. Beautiful. Now the nice thing is, because Despia gives you over-the-air updates, you don't have to rebuild the application in the Despia editor and redistribute it to the App Store or Google Play Store. The only thing you have to do is publish the WeWeb update and open the application again, and you and all your users in real time will have the whole application downloaded and fully updated. So you have those updates over the air. They do not require your users to download and update the application manually, and it doesn't have to go through App Store approval, and it's fully compliant with all the regulations. So let's take a look at the application here, and if we open that, we should see the changes. As you can see, take screenshot, and if I click on here, you see it's now saving the screenshot to the camera roll, and I can access that page in the screenshots. If you ever want to take screenshots of the user screen in your application, you have access to that native functionality with the simple to use plugin. I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I can't wait to see all the exciting applications that you're going to build inside of WeWeb and how amazing they will look on the App Store and Google Play Store. Take care.